Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The package of the pip comes in the default repository of Ubuntu, and you can install it with the following command. When the pip is installed, verify the version. Next, install the package of the Streamlit using the pip manager. To explain the usage of Streamlit on Ubuntu, we will create a simple web application using it. To create it, first open the text file with the NANO editor and pass the following script. Now save the script and close the text editor. To run the application, run the following script. Open the mentioned URL that you got from your script in your web browser. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.